Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome you back to my channel. Welcome you back to my channel, guys. Today I am out. I am here. I don't even know where to tell you the name of this place, but I will put it in the description box. So I am out here today, guys. I came here today to do my live streaming, but coming here today, I realized that this does not only call for live streaming, but it's also called for a video. So I decided to do the video for you to see if you haven't seen it on the streaming. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and a big thank you to all my returning subscribers and viewers. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidра's Fashion District. Now, let's get in our video.